Hi guys, friends, my name is Santosh Chauhan. We will discuss about the some HTML tags in boilerplate in web development, as you can understand. And so without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open the computer and type in search box Visual Studio Code, friends, and click on this option Visual Studio Code. And this is the interface of the Visual Studio Code, friends. Already you know very well. As for me, you will be watching on your interface in my screen, in your screen. So first of all, we will select overall code in my screen and we will delete. And friends, index.html I have made already to this folder before session, and we will type some exclamation mark, and after this we will press the enter button. And friends, now we have to register your screen according to your desire, and we will change in the place of the document. We can add name of your websites, Santosh AI with Santosh, and this is the title name of my websites. And we will understand of body tag relate to content. So first of all, we will type heading tag, click on the H1 option in keyboards, and after this we will press the enter button. We will type some content. For example, we can say, how are you, friend? And to this statement we will replicate till 6th line, friends. And now we will understand, we will change numeric value of heading. Friends, this is the h2 tag, and something like this we will change step by step. Friends, this is the h3 tags we will change, and now we will change, friends, this is the s5 tags. Friends, now we will change after this. We will change s4 tags, and we will change h6 tags, h6. So there are the 6 heading are used to mostly for making the websites, as you can understand during the making website, friends. It is the used to mostly. First heading is very important because enough data are included in this first heading. According to botnet of the Google, first heading is excellent heading because already I have told you, friends, enough data are included in first heading according to botnet of the Google. So this is the concept of the heading, friends. Now we will understand. Second heading is low important, third heading is less important. Hence, this process will execute step by step. As you can see, this process is executes. This process executes step by step in the live server, as you can see, as you can understand in websites, in browser. So now we will understand, friends, bold and italic option. What is the word? Click the V plugin and we will type some content. For example, I love you. Friend. And what is the italic option? Why are used of italic in HTML? Because relate to text. It is the modified text. It is the used in affiliate. And click the I button and click on the plugin I, and we will type some content. For example, you cannot touch me. And this is the italic option. This is the italic tag, friends. And after this we will type underline tag. Click the U plugin, and after the enter we will write some content in underline tag. For example, I am telling you, friends, you could not make history of life. So now we will want to show overall code. You want to show overall code in live server. Click the right button, friends. You want to show overall code of HTML boilerplate. You click on the right button and open with live server. Now you will be watching. This is the concept of the heading in body. First heading is very important. Already I have told you friends, because this enough data are included. Hence first heading is called excellent heading. Already I have told you friends, according to botnet of the Google, this heading is very important, and this heading is called excellent heading. Second heading is low important. This process executes step by step in live server, as you can understand, in browser, in websites, as you can see. So this is the concept of the heading, and this is the bold text, this is the italic text, this is the underline text. This is the concept of the heading, bold and italic, and so on etc. like this. That's all about this. Thank you friends. I will see you next time.